Welcome back to Talk 1260 KTRC, the humanity behind the vanity. And now, for a great spiritual tip from Dr. Scott Thomas.
Thanks, Daniel. You know it's going to be 2010. Everyone's getting ready and making their New Year's resolutions. Everyone's excited about the new year. Well, for me, back home on the reservation, it's not the new year for us, actually, because ours started sometime around mid-August. There was a certain ceremony we did, which is all about renewal of the earth, rebalancing the earth, and renewal and rebalancing of ourselves. And I do relate in that I think that's sort of a time when we make kind of internal resolutions also. And that's what's happening right now for a lot of people. They're making these resolutions, and what I hear a lot of times from people is a month after the new year, they feel really down, upset with themselves, depressed, sort of like remorse, almost a buyer's remorse about your resolutions. And here's some tips that I think are really helpful in terms of making a resolution that's going to last so you can feel good about. Number one, of course, is you have to be realistic. It's very, very important to not set a unattainable goal. Make your goals attainable, and that means they can't be too big. You don't want to set yourself up for failure. You don't want to, like you were saying, you don't want to say, oh, I'm going to lose, 50 pounds in 3 months. Try to work on a better diet. Try to say, I'm going to lose 5 pounds over the next few months. It's healthier to do it that way anyhow. Do set some attainable goals, make some resolutions that you really want to do. Don't do it to please some outside person or get approval from someone. I always say there's 50% of the people on earth are going to approve of me and love me no matter what. 50% of the people in the world are not going to approve of me. Now, hopefully it's not. I get a little more numbers in approval. Right. I just say that because it makes it so that I realize it's not about me trying to change and make others approve of me. No. The world is as it is, and I have to have these goals in my life where I approve of me. Right. And I think that's the idea behind those resolutions. Make some goals that you approve of that are going to lead you on your path towards the identity you want to have, who you want to be in the world. And don't worry about what other people say. And have a great 2010.
There we go.
Okay.
Thank you. And you as well.
You too.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.